Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today we are covering the unique function. It extracts a deduplicated list from a column, range, or multi-column array and spills the results automatically. The syntax is unique, array, optional by call, and optional exactly once. Unique function is available in Excel 365 and Excel 2021. Let's get into it. Here's our Pokemon dataset. The type column has 14 rows, but several types repeat. Click the first result cell under List of Unique Values and type equals unique. The only required argument is the array. Pass in the type named range and hit Enter. Unique spills 9 distinct type values into the cells below, with no duplicates and no manual filtering required. Now the exactly once argument. Click the first result cell and type equals unique. Pass in the type range, false for by call, true for exactly once. This tells unique to only return types that appear once in the data. Hit Enter. The result is 7 items instead of 9. Water and fire are excluded because both show up multiple times in the source column. Finally, unique across multiple columns. Click the first result cell and type equals unique. Select the 2-column range C3 to day D16, which covers both type and generation, and hit Enter. The result spills across 2 columns. Unique is now evaluating each row as a pair. Water appears 3 times because Water Gen 1, Water Gen 2, and Water Gen 3 are all different combinations. A couple of things to keep in mind. Unique requires Excel 365 or Excel 2021. It is not available in older versions. The result is dynamic, meaning if your source data changes, the list updates automatically. If there is not enough empty space below the formula for the results to spill, you will get a spill error. Just clear those cells and the formula will work. That's how you make Excel. If you want to take your Excel work further, check out SpreadsheetWeb at www.spreadsheetweb.com. Turn your Excel model into a fully interactive web app with no coding required. Links below.